Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Archie Civil House, and I am going to talk about art versus design. What is art? Whenever we think of the word art, a picture of painting comes in our mind, and maximum of us don't understand the concept behind that painting. But the reality is, a child sketching on street is art, painting on street wall is also art, stand-up comedy is also art. So, how do we define art? The expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form such as painting or sculpture, producing works to be appreciated, primarily for the beauty or emotional power. So, art is a feeling, it's an aura or memory, it's a creative imagination and a communication to express ideas and feelings that everyday words can't explain. So, there are two forms of art. One is visual art, like painting, sculpture, film, photography, and another is performing arts, like poetry, acting, stand-up comedy, theatre, which need artist audience at the same time. The artist needs their presence to perform in front of us. On the other hand, what is design? Design is the process of imagining and planning the creation of an object, systems, building, vehicles. It's about solution for people. Design has different forms, like fashion design, it's a solution to what we wear, graphic design, solution to what we see, interior design, solution to our indoor spaces, or furniture, solution to where we are sitting, working, product design, solution to what we use, or architecture, solution to our homes, web design, solution to our websites. As soon as we see this painting, this Mona Lisa, or this artwork by Vincent van Gogh, these paintings depict things like history, from which era they belong, where they belong, or what style of painting it is. But as soon as we see this picture, this is a random artwork from the internet, we start thinking it is connecting to us or not, or how it will look in my room, or does it stimulate any emotion in us or not. We start connecting with them. But in this picture, it's a chair. We start thinking, can we sit in it properly or not, or how will it look in my room, or is the color matching with our other furniture in my room or not, or a dress, it will fit me or not, or the shape, the color, the material. We start living in them, we start thinking to use them. This is also design, and the YouTube which we are using is also design. So there is a clear difference between art and design. Art is pure aesthetics. Aesthetics means beauty, and on the other hand, design is creativity which serves a purpose or a function targeted to a user. Needs interaction between the design and the user intended. Art is a medium to share our ideas, vision that may not be able to be said in another way. We need art to engage our body and our mind to keep us healthy. We need art to keep us connected. Art acknowledges history, reflects culture or belief or identity. Art describes our lives and experiences over time. So why do we need design in our lives? Design has put the whole world in our hands, through which we can be connected to others, mobile, laptops, tablets. Design helps us to play games. Design helps us to live. Design helps us to go from here to there, or design helps us to walk, or graphic representation to understand that can be informative. Think of everything that you have touched today is a design. Design is the creation of the products and the services that people use, connection between people and technology. Design is for people, art is for artists. Designers answer to their customer when the customer asks for something. But artists' first ideas and the final product can be completely different. They are independent for their piece of work. Good design is a skill, good art is a talent. Design can be taught and learned. Good designers need not to be a good artist. You have to achieve the objective of design. But an artist has natural ability. True value of an artist is in the talent they are born with. Design is an act of empathy, art is an act of freedom. The purpose of design is to communicate a message, to imagine how another person is feeling and so understand his or her mood and then interpret it in the design. A work of art seems to be the feeling that the artist holds within himself or herself. It's a self-expression which gets interpreted. Design gives same message to everyone, but art gives different message to everyone. Design is a visual composition as a result of a specific task or communicate a particular message for everyone. A painting can create different message or feelings in every individual. Good design motivates, good art inspires. Design always has an existing starting point, the client, the problem, the purpose. The aim is to motivate people to buy that product. But artists start their work from a zero basis. The aim of an artist is to connect emotionally with the audiences. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching.